we keep it real. Hey you, welcome back. It's your girl Lati. And if you're new here, welcome. Around here, we keep it real with natural hair, protective styles, healthy hair products, wash day, and all things healthy hair.
Hi guys. Hi. Hello. So, hi.
So we did a hot oil treatment last night. That's why my hair is like this. And now I'm going to do a few unboxing before we go and wash our hair. We need a scissors. Be right back. Alright, so first is this, I don't know, package number one. So this is Centella Bubble Cleansing Foam. Yeah, for my face. Next one. Alright, so this one sold like more than one, so let's open it and see how much is in there. My guess is 3. Excuse me. And I don't exactly know what's in them. They're sent to me from TikTok for TikTok shop samples for me to review. And yeah. 3. Ding 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 ding. So these are from Misha. So it's this is step 1, this is step 2, and this is step 3. Yes? Alright. Ooh. So this is a Here leave-in molecule booster. Restructure hair leave-in molecular booster. I'll let you know how this goes. Package number 4. A package in a package. I don't want to put the people and things. I don't want to put the people and things, so I can use my strength for that. Yeah. Package. Now I'm excited to use this. I will be using this one for my shampoo. It's a herb shampoo bar. It's a herb shampoo bar. This is the rice water and rosemary spray with biotin. Okay. Want you? Miracle Drop Style Gel from Kaleidoscope. Let us do a smell. A sniff this. Okay. And last but not least, is the Miracle Drop Styling Foam with coconut oil and aloe. It has a pleasant taste. Oh.
So wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
It has a pleasant smell. Alright, so that's all the products I have for you guys today. Let's move on to the rest of my wash day routine.
Thunder calling down my name. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh.
guys, we're going to do an oil treatment, and this is the oil that we're going to use right here. It's a bit old, and this is not the right top, but the top broke.
Thunder calling down my name. Why don't you hear me wonder? Ooh, ooh.
All right, guys, so it's 60 minutes, and I put it up to speed 8. Not speed, heat 8. So I haven't felt anything as yet, so I'm just here waiting. If anything, I'll just put it up higher and put it up to speed 10. Not speed. Put it up to heat 10 to the highest one right here. Okay, so it's shampoo time, and we're going to detox first, and then we use this shampoo bar that I just got.
Rinse, 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 rinse. From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling, that would make you smile? I'll bring you flowers, girl, enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours.